Hey, what's going on, peeps? It's Brian. Just me night. I'm gonna get in some, maybe watch some football while I'm in here. Who knows? But we're back working on tetanus, and I think to start out with, I might try to see what I can cut off of this front bumper decorative thing. See if I can get any of the bolts out, and if not, we'll just saw it into pieces to make it easier to get off of there. And if we get that off of there, okay, then we'll start. Probably take the door off first, since I have to take the door off to get to the inner fender. So we'll probably pop that door off of there, see if we can get this fender off. So that's the plan. Don't know how far we'll get. It's a little warm out here. I mean, it is Florida. It could be snowing somewhere. So, put you guys on a time lapse. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Hopefully we're far enough away from the fans to show you my favorite part of fall. Yeah, so I have polka music and Oktoberfest music playing all the time. One of these days I'm going to make it to Munich, so if you guys want to plan a trip next year about this time to Munich to go drink gigantic beers, give me a call. So remember, happy Oktoberfest. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, what you saw, we got the bumper hacked off of there. Hacked off, unbolted, hacked off mostly. Some hangers are seeing better days. That's, yeah, you know. There's a benefit to working on something this old is there's a acceptable loss. So, I got the fender mostly off there. I'm tired enough like beating it off of there, but at least it's there. Got the other door hanging up here so I can take that door apart and get the glass out of it. And yeah. So I think the next video, like we talked about before, we're gonna put on a hazmat suit and take the interior out. And then probably after the interior, I'll get the trunk lid off of there because there is no trunk. There isn't a trunk. And we'll just keep moving along. Here soon we'll have an actual dolly to go under there, so it'll be a little bit higher off the ground and stable. Then I can start working on some other stuff, taking the front suspension apart, getting this whole front clip off, so we can get ready to remove the radiator, yank the engine and trans out. And we're moving along. So if you like what you see here, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that other fun stuff there. Hit those buttons. And hey, if you have any questions about doing this, or you're looking at doing this in the future, or you've done this before and you have some pointers, throw them in the comments. We love seeing them. I'm not an expert at this. I just like tearing cars apart. So there it is, what it is. If anybody needs some sweet hot used tires, let me know. I'm not sure how much they'll hold air, but I got some. All right, peeps. We'll see you in the next time. Till then, take it easy. And we'll talk to you later.